Okay, so this is my engine that I bought for $150 at Tractor Supply yesterday. And there was a problem with it. I decided to buy it, actually, because it's been sitting here. It's been sitting in Tractor Supply for 3 years. So, there's the hole. I had it running just a little bit ago. Yeah, I put a brand new spark plug. I put a brand new wire. You can see it's red there. That red wire, it goes to that low oil sensor. That goes to the shutoff switch here. So it's a Speedco 212cc. I don't know what horsepower it is. It never said. And I mean, it's a quiet thing. I mean, really quiet. I'm gonna start it up here real quick. It should start right up. That's how quiet the thing is. The exhaust on it, look how big it is. It's all the way to, it's about the size of the engine. But it's little, very little. Let's put a nice breeze on it. See this? I had to rig it. At Tractor Supply, I told the people, the employees there, that one of the engines there was missing a dipstick oil filler plug. So they went in the back and yanked the one off of this one and asked them, "Where'd you get that from? Another engine?" And they said, "Yeah, but it doesn't work." "How does it not work?" It just never worked. It's been sitting there for 3 years. So I got it going in like 10 minutes. I had to rearrange the wire because the mouse chewed it all to bits. But it runs. Anyway, I gotta put it away. I don't want it to get too hot. And it is quiet. Well, thanks for watching.